guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I just want to say thanks to all my new subscribers who have joined the team. Guys, I created this green look, y'all. At first I wasn't even finna put this on the camera because it was an epic fail. I didn't like it the first time because I was trying something else. You know how you think of something and once you do it, it don't go right. So it was something like that. But anyway, I kind of like this little green look, so I want to share this look with you guys. If you want to see how I create this look, go ahead. And also, y'all, if you're trying to recreate this look, sometimes you don't have to go out and buy the same products or the same thing. Use what you got and see how the look comes out. So I didn't have the right greens I wanted, but I used what I had, and that's what I came up with. But anyway, let's just go get into this video, okay?